So we're now in the next area, which of course is the garage area, which of course you get some of the big bits in here. So that said, we can get on with this. Miele Business Cx1, get in gear, get in gear. Look at it, it looks like a mouse. It's so wrong, it looks like a mouse. Okay, that's what it is. You hear the quiet rumbling sounds, it's because it's from the wheels gliding on this very thin and very rough little bit of water. Looks like a spider and made it a bit of a sanctuary in here. Very cool. Which of course is still here. It's that dice, still dice. The other one. But of course I do sometimes allow it to stretch its legs in there. The Miele is definitely more superior than the Dyson. Because of course, due to it having a suction with the suction pressure release valve, it goes to get rid of a couple of good tools. And also, the video is fixed. We've got the stair tool, the turning turbine, the turning turbine head, and the Whereas this has most of its tools on board, and it all just depends on what floor base you want to use, whether it's the Turbotech tool or the Ecotech Plus combination floor tool. Hard floors and some carpets as long as it's not thick luxury. Well, that's now the garage done, so it's on to the next area.